Hello there. Welcome to this glorious day, Sunday. Literally the sun's day. In some traditions, the sun is feminine, and in other traditions, the sun is a strictly masculine entity. For me, like most things, it is a combination of both divine masculine and the divine feminine, in the same way that our Mother Earth is also a combination of the divine masculine and feminine, and it weaves together to form divinity within. It is a day that is governed by the solar plexus, so it asks us to leave our ego behind and to see where we no longer need it. It asks us, reminds us that we are in fact divine. We do not have to give away our power to anybody else, and that we are God and Goddess within. If you like, you can fire up this day by wearing the colour orange and gold, just as the sun is. You can wear gold jewellery or orange-coloured gemstones to fire your day. The sun's day. Let's live it. You can do sun salutes, some of my favourites, but particularly in the morning. But you can do sun salutes in the afternoon, but the morning is best. So enjoy the sun's day. Blessed be. From sunrise through to sunset, enjoy the divinity that is this day, Sunday.